Welcome to the project demonstration of automatic harvesting machine. In this project we are using 3 amps 12 volts of battery and 2 DC motors for up and down and open and close, and also we are using 2 8293 3Ds. One is for 8298 motor driver and another one is 8293 3D, here we can see, and also using ARDUINO UNO board and LM358 and also using LM2596. It will convert 5 volts to 12 volts to 5 volts, and also we are using ESP32 cam, and also we are using BLDC motor speed controller relay and ESC. Here we can see the ESC, and here we can see the BLDC motor which is connected here, and also here we can see the weight machine. So we can on using this button and we can off using this button, and also we are using charging circuit. Here we can see this one is a charging circuit. So this one is a step down transformer. It will take 230 volts of AC power supply using this power cable. So it will take 230 volts of AC supply, then it will step down up to 12 volts. That 12 volts will be given to this bridge rectifier input. So we know that bridge rectifier will convert AC into DC. So that converted 12 volts of AC will be given to the battery. So now it is converted into 12 volts of DC. So the 12 volts of DC will be given to this battery for the recharge purpose. So here we can see the light indication, which means battery get charging through this bridge rectifier. And also we can remove this one after this charging. So we need to connect this ESP32 cam to our phone using mobile hotspot. So we need to on mobile hotspot, and password should be, here we can see the name should be provider 6420 and password should be 129. Then only this ESP will be connected to our phone. So now it is connected, and also we can see IP address here. So using this IP address we can paste that IP address in our Google Chrome. Address. So this one is the IP address. So here we can see the camera, live camera module in IoT platform, and also we can move using forward condition. It will forward and it will come back using the back command, and it will rotate left and right. And also if we want to use these motors, we can use down for a downward, up for the upward, and stop. If we want to open this gripper, so we need to press open and again stop. If we want to close this gripper, and have to choose close. Now it is closed. If I want to, so now we can see the output. So I am owning this ESP light on. So we will clearly observe the object. After that we need to pick up this one. So down and stop, and again. Up. So now close this one. Now it is picked and we have to up this one. So we can see in live video also. So it comes nearly this point. Then we have to open. So in this way, and also we can see the weight here. In this way it will pick the object and throw it out this box, and it will show the weight. In this way this product will be works. So if we want to on our BLDC motor, so we have to press C on. Then it will take some initialization time. So we can observe the sound. So if I on this one, so it is giving this kind of noise. If I off this one, so it is not moving. After that, if the sound is come, so we have to press this button 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. After that, so now it is on. So if I want to off this one, this BLDC motor, we need to press C off. So if I want to on, C on, and if I want to off, C off. In this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.